A very warm welcome to you indeed. Thank you very much for enrolling in my course on how to create a website with Wix. And not only will I be teaching you how to create a website with Wix, it will be how to create squeeze pages or landing pages, whatever you want to call them, on how to capture emails, how to turn those emails into money, and then also how to get people to draw attention to buttons of either buy now or sales or subscriptions, whatever it is that you want to send your traffic to. I can help you optimize all of that. So before we get into the course itself, I'm going to do a little quick introduction about me. My name is Tom Marecki. I'm 20 years old, soon to be 21, and I've been doing affiliate marketing for 3 years now. And I'm going to be showing a couple of videos in the background on what I've been up to basically over the past 3 years since I became an affiliate marketer, and how I've been living basically the laptop lifestyle, as they say. So I've been able to live in Dubai for 4 months. That was a crazy experience of mine. Never would have ever thought that would have been something that I'd have actually done. I've been to multiple countries, and also I flew first class Etihad, which are seriously expensive plane tickets. Go look them up. Literally, the things that I've been able to do in this past 3 years from my laptop is incredible. So if you're not already on your laptop in the affiliate marketing industry, I highly recommend that you do it, because I started off as an apprentice electrician, and I thought the money was good, and I thought I was set for life basically. You know, I thought I was getting around 250 quid a week, which is £1 a month, and for my age, at the age of 17, that was real good. I was probably the highest paid in my whole class year at school. £1 a month at 17 was like pretty good basically. And my uncle has always been, you always have the rich uncle, or the uncle that's always got a bit of money. And I can remember one day I was at work and I was hating it. I was down in Brighton, and I rang him up and I said, look, I hate this job, help me, what do I do? And he said, just quit. And stupidly enough, I just quit without really any... He said, just quit. So I carried on talking to him down the phone. I said, what is it that you actually do? And he was an affiliate marketer. He's retired now and he lives in Thailand. And he's been there for about 2 years already. Recently retired anyway. And he was an affiliate marketer. So I became sort of obsessed with affiliate marketing and constantly on my laptop. And it didn't start out as a Mac. It started out as some horrible Windows Acer laptop, super slow, super shit, terrible basically. So as time goes by, I start getting better and better at promoting products online, and about 2 months ago, which is a real big part of my story, it literally took me about 2 years and about 6 months or something like that, roughly, to reach $1 million in affiliate commissions. And at the age of 20, it's not $1 million profit, it's $1 million in sales, which regardless by any means is such a huge milestone for me, and never would have I thought that $1 million in sales would be something that I had achieved personally. So without being in the least cocky way, whatever, I know that this works. So I've created it multiple times, and it's literally a rinse and repeat, a copy and paste. It's simple, super easy to make the website that just converts. It's about, I've done hours of research on psychology of selling, subliminal messages, marketing techniques by the big corporations such as McDonald's, Coca-Cola. I've done so much market research into all of those companies, and I've collected bits here, there and everywhere, put them all into this one website, and this is the website that I'll be teaching you today. Like I said, it's accountable for $1 million personally, just for me in sales. And this is the first time that I'm ever selling it out. This is the first time that I'm ever putting it out to the public. Not that it's some holy grail type website, but it has been my bread and butter. It has been my bread and butter. So, like I said, I'm going to be teaching you how to create the website, how to market and put the right techniques in to help get you just that extra 5, 10, 15% of extra conversions, how to get the leads capture, how to just make it look nice, and how to make it mobile friendly. Okay, a lot of websites nowadays should be mobile friendly, but they're actually not. I've been on my mobile looking through and go, Christ, this website's horrible. So obviously with promoting on Facebook, I do that for my affiliate business, and around 80% of all audience is on mobile. So you have to have a mobile friendly website. If you don't, then that's where your conversions are going wrong already. Basically, if you're doing this and it isn't working, check to see if your mobile friendly works, okay? Because that is the most important thing. But we're going to be covering everything you need to learn on how to create a website with Wix. Thank you very much for watching this short introduction. The next video will be the start of everything. So I'm going to be teaching you absolutely everything right on the next video. So, like I said, thank you very much for enrolling in the course, and let's get into it.